In this video, I'm going to share with you my personal story of how I started Forex trading, the mistakes I made, the strategies that I learned, and how I turned my passion into a profitable venture. From the very first trade to the moment of my doubt to the ultimate breakthroughs, this video is packed with a lot of insider tips, real life experiences, and everything that you need to know to better your own trading journey. Trust me, you do not want to waste this. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm your host, BB Forex, and today I'm going to share a story that completely transformed my life. In this video, I will take you on a roller coaster ride through my personal journey of how I stumbled into Forex trading, the mistakes that I made, and the strategies that finally clicked, and how you can also start your journey today. The story I'm about to share is not just about the money that I made, it's about the ups and the downs. It's about the early mornings and the late nights, the lessons and the strategies that I passed through, which could be a great help to anyone considering a career in Forex trading. So be sure to stick around to the end of this video and do not forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and also ring the bell icon so you never miss out on another update.
What inspired you to start Forex trading?
So basically what inspired me to get into Forex trading was money. But then not just money per se, because at the time I was making good money with the companies I was working with, but how easy it was to make the money. I'm very critical about the process that is involved in anything I do. So it was really very easy to make money with Forex compared to what I was doing back then. I had background in network marketing, affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, and I was working with a few companies back then. But then with those companies I was working with, they involved a lot of effort, a lot of talking to people, dealing with people, building teams, attending events, and making sales and all of that. So you needed to do a lot of things for you to get a commission, and you are paid commission from just a cut of the profit you generate to the company. But with Forex, with just a few clicks on my phone, on my laptop, I'm able to make money from the comfort of my home. So how easy it was for me to make the same money, even much more money than I was making with my network marketing company, it's something that really struck my attention. So that really inspired me a lot. And more so, I had a friend back then who was actually into trading, and it really inspired me a lot because at the time he was making some good money from trading. And then it got to a time he was actually trading for me, and I was getting a cut of the profits he was making from my own money. So this also really inspired me to look into trading, to learn everything about trading and making the money for myself. And that way, I no longer have to give a percentage of my profits to anyone. Everything I make comes directly to me. So that was really the inspiration behind how I started looking into Forex trading.
How did you get started in Forex trading?
So when I started Forex, I dabbled into a lot of materials. And of course, like everyone else these days, I got on YouTube and I was really frustrated by the tons of content on YouTube. And then I got this advice from a friend who sent me a link to babypips.com. So I went on to babypips.com. I read through everything on Baby Pips. Every chapter of Baby Pips, I went through every course. So I took Baby Pips, but then Baby Pips also was just theories, right? There was nothing practical about Baby Pips. So after completing Baby Pips, I needed something practical. So then I went on the internet to enroll into online mentorship programs from these guys from USA. There was a guy from Miami and another guy from Texas, right? So I enrolled into a few trading mentorship program online, and then it also really helped to bring up my knowledge in Forex trading. So that was really how I started Forex trading. And from there, I also invested into mentorship classes from a couple of people, which also helped to increase my knowledge and also better everything else I already learned from the previous classes. So that was really how I got started with my trading journey.
What were your initial expectations and how did they compare to reality?
So when I started trading, I had a lot of expectations. As a new guy who was very excited about everything I was getting into. So there was a lot of toxic expectations, I must say. One of those expectations was that when I started, I was hoping to quit my day job within my first year of trading. But of course, that didn't happen, right? And also, unlike anything else, Forex is not something that you would learn one time and you will be good to go. A lot of times, new people come into Forex and they have to go through different mentors, different materials, different strategies before they finally find what actually works. So if you have not yet gotten what actually works, then you should not settle. You should not give up. You have to keep learning, keep transforming yourself until you get something that actually works.
What were the biggest challenges you faced when starting out?
Yeah, so one of the major problems that I had when I started trading was trading the wrong material. So at the time, I was so excited with what I was doing. So I learned different materials, different systems, different strategies. So I was dabbling around different things at the same time. So that really messed up with my mind. So I was not really getting the result I needed to get. So trading the wrong material was one of the major issue I had. So I would place a buy before you know my stop loss get hit. I would place a sell before you know my stop loss got hit. So that really messed up with my mind a lot. And I started to think probably I was doing something wrong. And another issue was dealing with losses, psychological breakdown in a whole lot. So that also was a major issue I faced when I started trading, because I was not really used to taking a lot of losses or probably growing my account every now and then. So it really messed up with me, and I started to think Forex is not what people actually portray it to be.
How did you handle losses and setbacks?
So with regards to losses, I was able to deal with losses because as at the time, I knew I wasn't good with what I was doing. I knew I had a lot of learning to do, so I needed to trade small lot size. So I was always trading micros and minis. I never go shy from that. So I was always trading micros and minis until I was able to better what I was doing, until I understood the exact system that was actually going to work for me. So, and a lot of time back then as well, I was doing demo trading, of course, to practice what I was doing, to ensure that what I was doing was actually working for me and not just guessing my way around the market. So I needed to see some consistency before I start to trade a big account size or a big lot size. So it really helped me a lot to deal with losses. I never took any major losses. As far as my earning days are concerned, I never took any major losses because I was very careful. I understood risk management from the start. From my early mentorship classes I took, I understood risk management, and I knew it could really help me, also save me from a lot of unnecessary losses that I would probably have taken if I knew nothing about risk management. So demo trading and then small lot size saved me a lot of losses in my early days. And more also, understanding risk management helped me a lot to better deal with my mindset and preventing me from psychological breakdown. So risk management helped me a lot. It's helped me to better deal with mindset and psychology as well.
Are there any myths about Forex trading you want to debunk?
One of the misconceptions I would like to debunk is that trading is gambling, right? So a lot of people consider trading as gambling because they believe you could either win or lose. Of course, you could either win or lose in real sense. However, if you take trading seriously, if you take trading as a business, you would always win more than you lose. Your winnings will be more than you lose. You have an edge over the market. So trading is not a gambling. It's a gambling for those who have no idea or solid idea about what they are doing. For those who know exactly what they are doing, they have an advantage over the markets to be more profitable compared to the losses they take. So definitely have losses every now and then, but your winnings should be way more than your losses. So trading is not a gambling. It is a business for those who know exactly what they are doing and those who are skillful, who understand the concept of actual profitable trading. And another misconception I would like to debunk is that it is not possible to lose in Forex markets. Of course, like every other business or investment out there, there is always chances for losses. No matter how solid its setup might look, no matter the confirmation you have on a particular setup, it does not take away the chances that that very setup could blow your account. It does not take away the chances that that very setup could wipe out your entire trading account if you do not trade correctly, if you do not trade with risk management, if you do not trade the right way you should be trading. So always manage risks and always treat every setup equally and never attach your emotions to your trading because it never ends well. Emotions and money never go along, right?
What mistakes did you make, and what did you learn from them?
So when I started, one of the major mistakes I made back then was trying to make the wrong system work for me, right? So like I said, I learned a lot of systems, a lot of strategies, and one of them was BTMN. For those who have been around long enough, they would remember Beat the Market Maker system. So I had to purchase this course, very expensive course at the time. So I paid for this course. I learned almost everything about this course, and I was trying so hard to make this very system work for me. And this was a system that is so complicated in application, right? So it is not every single system that is going to work for you. So you have to make sure whatever system you are trying to use is a system that is proven, that has a very good edge. A very good edge simply means there is more chances of winning than losing. And over time, there's been a record of more profitable trades compared to losing trades. So you need a good system and also a system which is very simple to apply. So a lot of people complicate trading by trying to do so many unnecessary stuff on their charts. A lot of unnecessary painting, unnecessary lines, unnecessary indicators on their chart. So it is not always going to work out for you fine. So you need a system which is very easy for you to implement, which is very simple for you to understand and easy for you to implement. And that is very important. So trying so hard to apply a system which is wrong will always hurt you than anything else. So the mistakes I made from my early days was trying so hard to implement the wrong system, and that very mistake cost me a lot of money. I made a lot of mistakes. I lost a lot of accounts by doing that same error until I found what actually really works.
What resources did you use to learn about Forex trading?
So one of the resources I used to learn Forex was Baby Pips. That was my early days. I actually went to the course on Baby Pips to get familiar with the theory aspect of Forex trading. And then I had to invest into a couple of Forex mentors and Forex programs on the internet, which I actually paid for, of course. So they also gave me a very good start into my Forex journey. And the thing also is that when you purchase a course, you are not necessarily going to have a winning strategy per se, right? Especially a course which you have not really been familiar with. So I bought a lot of courses back in the day, which gave me a good background. But then I had to build on that background to make sure I have a very good and solid strategy that I am using currently. So that is really what I started. So Baby Pips helped me from the start, and then I purchased a couple of courses, and also I took a couple of trading books which I read. I read Naked Forex, and I also read Trading for a Living. I read a couple of other trading books as well, which they helped me from my early days as well. So that's really how I got started.
What advice would you give to someone just starting in Forex trading?
So the number one advice I would give to someone just starting Forex is you have to learn more than you trade. You have to study more than you trade. So forget the signals, forget any other resources that they may be pushing on you, but focus on your education. Be sure that any trade you are trying to take is a trade that you really understand. So if you do not understand a trade, then you have to stay away from it. So put more effort into learning. Understand that the process is more important than the outcomes. So if you have a very good process-oriented mindset, then your outcome will be very good at the end. So focus more on your process, focus more on your education. That is actually very important compared to anything else. So I would always push that you study more than you trade. And of course, for those of you who are interested in my proven system of trading, my proven mentorship program, which has helped a lot of students all across the world over the past 10 years, then you may check the links in the video description to get access to my Forex mentorship program, my trading services, and every other resources that I have available out there.
How important is risk management, and how do you implement it?
Risk management is the life of trading. Risk management is the life of trading. If you are a Forex trader, your first job is to manage risk. Forget about making profits, forget about the fancy lifestyle, forget about the social media hype and everything else. But your first job as a Forex trader is a risk manager. You are here to manage risks first. So risk management is going to protect not just your capital, it's going to protect your focus, it's going to protect your mental strength, it's going to protect your psychology. So you cannot have a plan to trade for the long term, or probably to trade for a business or full time, without taking risk management very seriously. That is your number one job if you have a very long term goals for your Forex trading. So focus a lot on risk management. Master for risk management. Master everything that borders around risk management, because you can use it to your advantage, and it's going to ensure your longevity in the Forex business.
What is your trading strategy, and how did you develop it?
So the way I currently trade is actually very simple, but super effective. And what I trade is what I call the advanced price action trading system. And it involves using the naked chart. I do not have anything like indicators or anything like fancy colors or stuff for my chart. My charts are always clean and naked. So it allows me the opportunity to see how the market is actually performing. I'm able to spot the trend in real time. I'm able to spot reversals in real time. I'm able to spot continuations in real time. So it really involves looking at the market from the high time frame. I could spot 400, 500, 1,000 pips into the future. And then I drop down to the low time frame or the day trading time frame to pick the current trend and trade in direction of the high time frame trend. So it is actually very simple when you understand price action the right way. So I call this system I trade the advanced price action. And this is the very system that has given a lot of traders across the world who has worked with me their breakthrough and make them a lot of money in the Forex market. So that is really what I trade in. This system has been working for me for so many years, and a lot of people also have testimonies and results to show to back up this.
What trading platform did you choose, and why?
So when I started trading, the trading platform that I used was MetaTrader 4. So that was the most popular trading platform at the time. Currently, I use Swing Market. The regulated and proven broker that I use, Forex broker I use, is currently Swing Market. So I'm going to drop the link of this Forex broker in the comment section or in the video description. So if you have, if you want to sign up with Swing Market, you can get started. It's a very good Forex broker. They have the best spread in the market. They have the best trading conditions in the market. And they also pay out your withdrawals immediately. When you place a withdrawal, you do not have to wait until Friday. You do not have to wait until market close before you can get your payouts. When you place a withdrawal, you get your money instantly. So I recommend Swing Market for everyone who are trying to get a good Forex broker to use. So the link will be in the video description to sign up with Swing Market. And the trading platform that I also use is the Sway Chart Pro. The Sway Chart Pro platform is a platform designed by Sway Markets, right? So they have their own personal and inbuilt trading platform that you can use, and that is what I currently use for the past 1 year, and that it has been very good. It has been really awesome. So I recommend Sway Market a lot. And for those who are very much interested into prop firm trading, Sway Market also has its own in-house prop firm company, and that is called the Sway Funded. So they have the best prop firm trading system around right now. So if you're looking for a regulated and fully guaranteed prop firm company without any stress of not getting paid or delayed payout or missing your payout by some days, then you need to check out Sway Funded. The links to this platform that I currently use, and I highly recommend them. They will be in the video description, so you may check them out, of course, after this video.
How has Forex trading impacted your life?
So definitely Forex trading has impacted my life positively. I was very happy I got into this business of trading currencies over the internet. It has been very profitable. It has been very rewarding, and also it has been very fulfilling, not just for myself, my personal life, my financial life, my family, those around me, and of course, everyone who I've worked with over the years. We have people who are full-time traders. We have people who have quit their day jobs. We have people who are living their best life. We have people who are also making 3 to 4 or 5 figures every single week or month in the Forex market. So definitely, Forex market has been very impactful. It has created a lot of results for people, which has greatly improved their life and their livelihood over the years. So definitely, is a good choice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope my journey into Forex trading has inspired you, or at least given you some valuable insight. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more content on trading, finance, and personal growth. If you have any questions or thoughts, leave a comment below in the comment section. I love hearing from you always, and I'm here to help wherever I can. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on any of our future videos. And for those who are serious about starting their Forex trading journey, check out the link in the video description for some resources and tools that helped me along the way. Until next time, keep learning, stay motivated, and never stop reaching for your goals. Happy trading, and I'll see you again in the next video.